Hi guys and good morning. Today is Sunday, the 11th of January. So school has reopened for the kids, but I didn't let them go last week. That was Thursday because I've been down with a terrible cold and I'm just out of the trenches. So prepping has been a little slow, but today we are getting started. Not started, but we are continuing with that. Okay. So I'm going to start by making some jollof rice for them, sausage jollof rice, and then I have to make some soup for the house as well. What do I need to do? Oh goodness! And I'm making lunch because it's 11:49 and it's sort of like brunch because they had breakfast pretty early around 7 a.m. So we're going to go ahead with it. Please, there's some buzzing sound behind, not buzzing, but like there's some sound behind. That's the air fryer. I'm grilling some fish. Pardon me, they'll be in and out of the space. I honestly do not want to make a voiceover for this video, so just come along and let's get started. So, like I said, we are starting with the jollof. I'm going to go ahead and fry some sausages in a bit of oil. Okay, so I have the stew already. Yep, this is leftover stew. I'm going to use to make the jollof. Okay, so once the sausage is fried a bit, to be honest, I don't want it to be like fried, but I do want to mix it with the stew. So I'll go ahead and take that out of the saucepan and then heat up the stew a bit because the stew is already cooked. This one there's no wasting of time there, sir. I want to say we shame. I made this initially for Wachi. By the time that this video up, is it up? Yeah. By the time that this video is up, that Wachi stew recipe would have been up already because I'm scheduled to make it my first video for 2026. Let me talk slowly before the previous year comes out of my mouth. So yeah, I'm making sure that all the meat is out of it because I don't want that in the stew. Okay. Ade, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Ajube, why? Yes, Nana. As you see, sorry. Imwana, what's it? I'm back. It's just really ghetto out here, okay? I am going to start by not start. I'm continuing by adding my rice into the stew. Sorry, there's been additions here because I nearly forgot I was vlogging. Okay. Um, I went to separate a fight, and I'm adding my rice into the saucepan. Oh, I've added. Okay. You see, that's why we make voiceovers. So after we are done shooting, because when you are doing it in real time too, it can be a bit difficult. I mean, with the voiceovers, you get to correct your mistakes. Okay. Just allow the stew to cook it on low heat for now. And then I'm going to start with the soups. So I've cooked some kotoje here, cow leg or cow foot, I don't even know. With the water, I'm going to go in. And then I have here some cleaned goat meat. I'm going to add that also. So I'm making pound soup. Have I said that already? I don't know, but I have here some blended ginger, garlic, onions, pepper. Yes, I'm going to add that for the meat to steam. Here we go. You guys tell me this, right? If you're in Ghana, I need a place where I can get a proper lighter. The thing with the lighters is that whenever I buy them, they do not last at all. I don't even know why. They don't last at all. Before I know, it's not working. This is the last one I bought. I said no more. So I beg if you have any place that you get these lighters. I've forgotten to season the soups because there's too much on my mind. So now my new favorite thing to use seasoning in place of my, what's it called, regular ones are the shrimp seasoning, okay, and fish powder. What's it called? Fish, shrimp and fish powder, yeah. And then I'm going to add some salt to the first pot, and then salt here as well. And then add water. Oh goodness, my lord. So let me tell you, the reason why I'm making 2 pots of soups is that one is just going to be fish, and the other has, of course, the meat. Okay, so that is essentially why I'm separating the soups. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add water to the jollof. To do any, mommy? No, you don't. My mouth. Now just let it cook, like I said, on low heat. It's for school. I'm hoping that this will be 2 days. The school gives them lunch, but I have to give them something I would like to call brunch, so that it's so that they are not hungry, because they eat around maybe like am I in frame? Am I in frame? Do you see my face in the thing? Nicely. Well, okay. My second son is my director. Yes, I see you too, Nanaja. So like I was saying, so I give them brunch, sorry, so that they are not too hungry before lunch. Kaka. They are going to eat rice and spag and boiled eggs. So, oh yeah, they go. So I'm taking a pause. I'm going to have this cocoyam, yam, contemporary now, because if I don't, I will not eat anything till I'm done. So let me just take that breather and then I'll be back. Alejandra, you are fufu. Have you finished? Or you just reread? What is yes? You just reread, okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes. Is it what? I don't understand. I'm coming. You are still standing here. Ah! The jollof rice is not looking bad at all. See, I didn't have faith. I thought that it will not come out nice, but I like it. Okay, let's finish cooking. It's okay. Why? What's wrong? Yes. You want bottle? You one person, you want bottle, you want phone. You know them. Maybe why? Please don't cry. Don't cry again. Anadra, I'm coming. I'll kill it. Why? Aish. You are coming to overstimulate me, sister. Eh? Eh? I'm coming. Why? Stop crying. I've seen it. Don't worry. I'll come and kill it. So the kids' sausage jollof is ready now. I'm just going to allow it to cool down, then I'll store it in the fridge. Madam went to escort me to take some news. Their juices are also nicely frozen. This is watermelon and pineapple, and their cupcakes are also ready. So there's been small change of plans. Okay, so initially I was supposed to braid my girl's hair after I finish everything. I'm done with everything, but my husband proposed that we take her to the salon because the boys are going to like shaping their haircuts. I don't even know how to call it, but they don't really need a fresh haircut. But as I was home, and my husband has been having a stomach bug for like 2 days now. He's feeling much better, so he says that we should just go out for some fresh air so that we will do the boys' hair, and then we'll see if the salon is not choked. I'll braid the girl's hair. If not, we'll bring her back home and then I'll do it for her. Because today, I wish that stress would be taken off me, but I can't wait for a long time because I mean, school is in session now, so obviously, the salon may be packed, but keeping my fingers crossed. I've called them. So this is the second time she'll be going to the salon. She went to the salon the first time during the Christmas break, and I'll insert some clips because they did a good job and she did very well as well. She didn't cry throughout the process, and so we're going to try again today. If it works out fine, if it doesn't, I'll just bring her back home and then do something for her to last a week and then we'll move again. So yeah, let's go. I'm about to eat. So my husband has sent the boys back to the barbering salon to go and cut their hair because when we went initially there were too many people there, so we didn't want to wait, and I had to come and do the girls' hair obviously because there were also too many people at the kids salon. So they came to eat. I'm done with the girls' hair obviously, and then the boys are out of here, so I'm now coming to eat. You want to eat? Didn't daddy feed you? So why come to eat my food? I'll not give you a namu. Hey, madam. Okay. Hi guys, so it's the next day and honestly yesterday I totally forgot to sign out. Okay, so after self-care, here is me signing out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you feel or how you feel about this type of content, and also share on your way out. What am I leaving out? I hope you enjoyed today's video, okay? And until we meet again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.